G'day crew! There are plenty of ways to distribute grey water to your garden. If you're looking at using dripline irrigation, there are a few things that are worth knowing about that we're going to have a look at in this video. I'm going to have a look at why Greywater Dripline is purple and what's the difference between your ordinary irrigation dripline and the stuff that's designed specifically for grey water. So, why purple? You might have seen this purple pipe around the place and wondered what it's for. You might have seen it in verge side or public gardens, or maybe in someone's front yard and wondered what it's all about. Well, it's the international colour coding for recycled or reclaimed water. Basically, it'll be some form of wastewater which has been treated or filtered in some way so that it can be repurposed or reused. In most cases, the reuse is irrigation. It is designed to be an easily recognisable indicator that any water within a purple pipe is not for drinking. And in places where reclaimed water is being used for irrigation, you're likely to see signage that says something like, "Recycled water, do not drink." If you're looking to set up a grey water irrigation system in your home, it is a regulatory requirement in all Australian states that you use this purple colour-coded line. Now before you say, "Bugger that, I've got a roll of half-used old brown drip line lying behind the back shed," it's worth knowing that aside from the purple colour, that not all drip lines are created equal. When we have a closer look at the Greywater drip line and how it functions, it's what's inside the purple pipe that makes the difference.
Do not be fooled by his commonplace appearance. Like so many things, it is not what is outside, but what is inside that counts.
Grey water, although it will have been filtered, will still have suspended solids, meaning there will be small particles of dirt or soap or other impurities that make up the difference between grey water and clean drinking water. Greywater dripline is not just a tube with holes in it. It has little plastic inserts called emitters which allow these suspended solids to pass through and out of the dripline into your irrigation area. If we cut this little section of pipe open, we can see the little plastic emitter. What happens is, water that's passing through the pipe will flow across and into the emitter. The zigzag flow pattern within the emitter is designed to create a turbulent flow. The turbulent water means that the suspended solids within the water are jiggled around and exit the pipe and are still suspended in the water. So when it comes to buying dripline for your grey water, it's worth making sure you've got the right stuff. Surprisingly enough, there are actually heaps of different types of drip lines on the market, and it can get a bit confusing. When looking to buy a Greywater dripline, it pays to use one that is specifically designed for greywater irrigation. One important thing to look out for is a dripline with a high flow rate, one with a rate of 8 litres per hour or more. This is really important to ensure that the dripline is resistant to clogging. A decent quality dripline shouldn't be overly expensive, and there are plenty of places online that you can buy stuff that is specifically designed for grey water. You should also be able to source stuff from your local hammer barn. Or irrigation shop, as long as you get something that has good quality emitters and a high flow rate. So there you go, grey water is a valuable resource, and if you run it through the right drip line, you'll be irrigating your garden with it for years to come.